Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CTST. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out in this situation a very logical question, quite straightforward. And that question revolves around the fact that today the price made a very, very impressive move. I mean, when you consider the fact that just yesterday on Thursday, the price was down around here. Now all of a sudden the price is sitting up there. Any rational person is going to say, yeah, the price certainly has made a very nice move. But that does lead to the valid question now going into next week of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make mapping out that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area, and that area is down here at $2.10. Why is $2.10 important? Well, hopefully we can agree on the logic that price movements with true power, with genuine strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about $2.10. If the price were to come down to that area and then just continue on down, what would that be doing to the price at that point? Well, from a very literal perspective, that would literally be putting the price right back inside of that range that it just broke out from. And again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price does go down here. However, in this situation, behaves like this and then starts to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this set of circumstances? Well, you'd have lows right there. You'd have those lows down there if you envision each of those as stair steps. Well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And again, in this situation, I'm defining and quantifying that progress point as $2.10. Now, what about areas of resistance going into next week? Initial area of resistance to keep an eye on is going to be right up here around the $2.30 mark. And then if the price can break up above there, then nothing fancy or complicated behind this next one other than the fact of during the first 30 minutes, the party finally stopped up at 240. So 240 will be that overall level. But before we start talking about 240, you can see there's definitely this little stubborn area right in here around the 230 mark. So the price has first got to get up through there. All in all, though, anyway, look at it. Great movement today. Not just a question of can the price build upon this momentum next week. We will see. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.